In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find liked posts on LinkedIn in just 5 minutes. This can be incredibly useful if you'd like to revisit content you've shown interest in. Let's dive right in and get you started. First, open your preferred web browser and type in linkedin.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, you'll need to sign into your account. You can do this by using your preferred method, whether it's through Google, Microsoft, or simply by entering your email address and password. Do make sure to have your login credentials handy. If you've set up two-factor authentication, LinkedIn is going to ask you for a verification code that's sent to your phone number. Just ensure your phone is nearby so you can quickly input that code. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll be on the LinkedIn homepage. Here, you need to click on your avatar picture, which is located in the upper right corner of the page. This will open a drop-down menu, and from there you will click on View Profile. This action will lead you straight to your personal profile page. Now let's focus on finding those liked posts. You'll need to scroll down your profile until you see the activity section. It might take a few moments to locate, but don't worry, it's usually pretty accessible. Once you find it, you'll see an option to show all activity. Click on that and it will bring you to a section labeled All Activity. Here you'll find a comprehensive overview of your LinkedIn interactions. This includes your own posts, as well as posts you have commented on and liked. At this point, you're right where you need to be. Scroll through this activity overview at your own pace to find the posts you've liked. This is a great way to not only revisit content you've appreciated, but also engage again with posts that may still be trending or hold valuable information. And there you have it, you've successfully learned how to locate your liked posts on LinkedIn. Whether you're a casual user or someone leveraging LinkedIn for professional networking, knowing how to navigate your past interactions is crucial. I hope this guide has been helpful, and you can now easily access and revisit posts you've interacted with on LinkedIn. If you have any further questions or need assistance on other LinkedIn features, feel free to reach out. Thank you for watching, and happy LinkedIn browsing.